Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to talk to you about the biggest breakthrough in spray technology for years. Hi everyone, my name's Josh and I'm from Spray Direct, and today we've got an exciting video for you where I'll be showing you the ins and outs of the new Graco XT range. So let's get into it. First of all, what is XT? So this is Graco's brand new range of sprayers that comes with the XT or Xtreme Torque electric motor. Now this is the world's first electric motor that has been specifically designed, engineered and manufactured for spraying. Better still, it's all been done by Graco in the USA. By comparison, all other electric airless units on the market are using a combination of a standard electric motor which is then geared down using big heavy steel gears to the correct speed needed for spraying. These generic electric motors run in the region of about 3,000 to 4,000 RPM, and then, as I said, they use a sequence of gears to reduce that speed down. Graco have engineered this motor to run at up to 300 RPM, so there's absolutely no need for gearing. And because the motor is spinning so much slower, it no longer requires as much cooling. So Graco have replaced the directly driven fan on the back of the motor on the older machines with a new, smaller electric fan, which has been mounted up on the underside of the machine, and it will only kick in when it's needed. The newly designed slowly spinning motor has lots of advantages, such as we've got better pressure control, we've got less wearing parts, we've got less weight in components that we don't need anymore, and crucially the unit is up to 10 times quieter. As the motor's actually been designed to work at those lower RPMs, it now means it produces up to 15 times more torque at those lower RPMs compared to the older geared machines. This means we're able to use the machine at a lower pressure with far more control, and you can adjust the pressure from 50 psi all the way up to 3,300. Graco have also introduced a brilliantly thought out feature with their new high and low pressure spray modes, which you can change to really simply by just pressing this button. And you can see the pressure you're spraying at by looking at the LED display, which is protected by this flip up cover. In low pressure mode you can go anywhere from 50 to 2,000 psi. And because the maximum pressure has been reduced, it now means that this dial is using its full rotation to adjust up to 2000 psi. Therefore it's much more refined and allows you to increase the pressure in 10 psi increments. And when you've got those thicker materials and you need a bit more pressure, just press your spray mode button and switch to high pressure, and then you can adjust from 500 to 3300 psi, which again is more refined with the lesser range, and you therefore have more control on the exact pressure you're spraying at. The XTs also come with Graco's rapid response pressure control, which monitors your pressure 60 times per motor revolution, and all of this combined means that the XT sprayers have the steadiest pressure control of any machine available on the market. So onto the party piece of the XT machines, and that's definitely the noise it makes, or lack of noise it makes. So how many times have you been on site and you can't hear the radio, or you had to go outside to make a phone call, or you're conscious you're making too much noise in a customer's house? Or most importantly, you missed out on that cup of tea because you didn't hear the offer. Now it's a little bit tricky to demonstrate how quiet this machine is, but I'll give it a go. So here we've got a Graco 495 PC, which comes with the old school standard electric motor, which has been geared down, and we'll compare that to the new Graco Ultra 495 XT. So now I've got both machines set to 1500 psi, and they're going to be spraying water with a 517 tip. So first up, let's pull the trigger on the 495 PC. So that's not bad, but you can definitely tell that it's on. And now let's listen to the 495 XT. And then we'll try the 495 PC at full pressure. And now we'll try the 495 XT at full pressure. Now let's try run them a bit faster. So we'll switch them to prime. First up, let's try the 495 PC. And now the 495 XT. As you can see, that's a huge difference, and it's going to make for such a nicer work environment when you haven't got that loud, high frequency noise compared to a new gentle knocking noise that you get with the XT. So the main difference with the new range is the electric motor, and that's what's going to be immediately obvious when you unbox it, but Graco haven't stopped there. All of the Ultra XT pumps come with an Endurance Vortex rotating piston pump, which actually rotates the piston round and round, meaning that you get more even wear and tear and can go longer between services. These pumps also utilise Graco's ProConnect system, meaning that the pumps are easily swapped out and replaced on site. All you need to do is undo the suction tube and remove it from the bottom of the pump, undo the nut with a hammer or a mallet, then flip up the black cover plate and pull the pump forward. Then undo the hose by hand at the back of the pump. Then to replace it, all you have to do is all of this in reverse. All of the XTs also include Graco's Watchdog system, which automatically cuts off your pump when you've run out of material, so you're not causing any damage from dry run in the pump. And the last new feature you get with the XTs is the Turbo Clean system, which allows you to clean the sprayer faster and using less water. So this machine we've looked at is the Graco Ultra 495 XT, but this is just one machine from Graco's new XT lineup. They start from the 490 and go all the way up to the Mark V here in the UK. The 495 XT can spray with a max tip size of 25 thou and up to 2.6 litres per minute. And the Mark V XT can spray with up to a 35 thou tip and up to a massive 5.6 litres per minute. So there's a machine to suit everyone's need in the range. The 495 XT we've got here can spray with up to a 27 thou tip and supply up to 3 litres per minute. It comes with everything you need to get spraying, so you've got a 15 metre 1/4 inch hose, the Graco Contractor PC gun with an LP517 tip, you've got a small bottle of TSL, some basic tools and a full instruction manual. So in my opinion, Graco have created a new industry standard, and that's what people are going to be expecting from their airless machines going forward. And the older, previous generation geared electric motor machines are quickly going to become outdated. I'll put a link in the description below to the 495 XT, so if you wanted to find out a bit more you can check it out there. If you've liked the video and found it helpful, then please hit the thumbs up icon, and if you wanted to find out more and get access to exclusive offers, then please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you hit that notification bell, you'll get a notification when we upload a new video. That way you aren't going to miss out on any new offers or content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.